Are you a wig beginner? Are you nervous to try your first wig and you just don't know where to start? I'm telling you, this wig install right now is for you. This is a completely glueless install and this wig already comes customized, pre-styled. It has a pre-plucked hairline, bleach knots. You don't have to do baby hairs. That's definitely optional, but I show you how to do that as well. And you get these gorgeous bombshell curls straight out of the box. You don't have to do much styling with this wig at all. So if you've been looking for a low maintenance wig and you want to wear your hair in protective styling for this fall season, definitely keep watching. I want to give a big thank you to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring this super easy glueless wig install. So my wig arrived in this box right here. It's like a Tiffany blue box. So the wig did arrive with some freebies. It came with an edge brush, also this elastic band. It also came with this really creepy like Halloween clip, and it came with this Halloween inspired choker. It also came with these 3D lashes and this invisible HD wig cap. Freebies with your wig purchase are always super bomb. So here is the main attraction, the wig. Let's remove the netting that it's in. And this is one of their ready to go units. It's their body wave texture. As you can see, it's already pre-styled, so you don't have to style this wig. It also comes with a pre-plucked hairline and bleach knots. So my wig is 26 inches long, and this is a 6 by 4.5 inch HD lace closure. So as you can see, the lace is pre-cut as I already mentioned, and here is the inside cap construction. It does have the silicone around the entire perimeter of the wig cap, which I enjoy because it keeps your wig in place and it doesn't slip. Also, it comes with this band. It's an adjustable band and it's an air wig, so it's super ventilated on the inside, so you can reach your scalp even with the wig on, which is very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation under the lace, and I'm gonna be using the new MAC Studio Radiance foundation underneath the lace because that's the foundation I'm wearing today. Here is what the lace looks like underneath once I tint it with a bit of my foundation. As you can see, it does make a big difference, but it's a super easy way for you to blend your glueless wig with your skin. Let's go ahead and put the wig on. Just gonna flip my head over and pop this baby on. Ooh, it's nice and snug. Okay. Here is the wig on. As you can see, it's completely glueless, but it is blending in very nicely with my skin tone because I did go in and tint that lace with my foundation. I am going to add just a little bit of baby hairs and also get this parting together. So I'm gonna move this over just slightly and then I'm gonna fix the parting. And I'm gonna take my Ebin wax stick and go all around this parting area. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil spritz and go around that parting as well. And then I'm gonna take my hot comb and get this flat. You don't want to take it all the way down because you don't want to disrupt these curls that the wig already came with, because that's the pre-styling and we don't want to style this wig again, okay? It already comes styled. Why do more work? And I'm going to use the back of the hot comb as well. Next, I'm going to take a bit of concealer down my parting, and this is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC45. And I'm just taking this down the center parting just to make it a little more defined. And I like to take my finger to help blend it out. So next we're gonna do some baby hairs right here. Nothing crazy, but I'm gonna pull out some hairs right here in the front of the wig. So this is a perfect amount. I'm gonna take my hot comb and just blend back the rest of the hair. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side as well. And then take the hot comb and blend it back. Next, I'm gonna take this clip and get this hair out the way further on both sides. All right, now I'm gonna use some cutting shears and I'm gonna cut the hairs about, I would say about an inch. Not too long, not too short. And lately I've been using the Lotta Body mousse to lay my baby hairs. I still love doing baby hairs right here in the middle. I know some people don't, but this is always a vibe for me. It really does a great job at laying your baby hairs, but not being too crazy like a gel or edge control. It looks really nice and clean. It gives a very soft baby hair look. And then lastly, we're gonna do this side here. So now that the baby hairs are laid, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these clips and then get you a wide tooth comb, okay? We're gonna pull all this hair to the front and we're not gonna style it. It already came pre-styled. We are just going to comb through these curls, y'all, okay? Ooh, okay. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. These curls are definitely set, y'all. You don't need to add any hairspray or anything. And of course, when you wash the hair, it's not gonna be curled like this anymore. Just try to get as many days as you can with the wig before you wash her so that you don't have to do any curling yourself. Take advantage of the wig being already pre-styled. So I'm gonna take a little bit of oil, just the tiniest amount, and I'm going to add it to the hair just to make the curls pop a little more. And at the same time, I'm taking my fingers through the curls and separating it a little more so we can get these nice, big, voluminous curls. And I'm gonna do the same exact thing on this side. So I hope that this wig install was super easy for beginners to follow. If you're a wig newbie, I know it can get very overwhelming when you have all these different wig styles, choices, how to lay the wig. Do you lay it with glue? Do you lay it with spray? Like, it's a lot. So this is an easy glueless wig install, and I just wanted to show you start to finish how simple this is to install. You really don't have to do anything. You don't even have to do the baby hairs if you don't want to. Like, that's an extra step that you don't have to take. So if you found that the baby hairs were even too much, don't do the baby hairs. Just skip that step and you're gonna get a bomb, beautiful install that looks just like mine. If you found this video helpful, definitely give your girl a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in checking out this ready to wear wig from Ashimary Hair, check the description box down below. I'm gonna have all the links there as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. And if you're interested in the base that I'm rocking in this video, I did do a demo on the new MAC Studio Radiance Foundation. I'm gonna leave a link right here, so be sure to go check that out next.